Would you like to know a technique that you can use to help someone in your life who is stuck get unstuck? This is a real world case study. The case study subject is me. My name is Ravi Verma. I'm the org whisperer at orgwhisperers.com. And this is a follow on to my previous video where I tell you a real world situation related to these videos where I was stuck. If you remember from my previous video, the the values that I was struggling to navigate were authenticity, be who I am in my videos, and effectiveness. Create great videos that help me share my message. And no matter what I tried, how I looked at it, I was not able to reconcile the advice that I was receiving from my team about what adjustments I need to make in my surrounding environment such that it honored both of these values. So, how did I get unstuck? The first step in my journey was I became curious and I started looking inwards. What's going on inside of me? The second step was that I gained greater clarity and self awareness about which values were yearning to be honored. The third step was new information entered the system. I have this amazing coach, and I am going to shoot a video just about how much she impacted me and what an awesome coach she is. But my coach introduced some new information in the system. The information was that she said when someone is watching my videos, they must feel safe with me before they are able to listen to my message. And some things that make people safe, feel safe, are things like plants, maybe a picture on the wall, maybe some of my favorite books, so that they can get a window into who I am. When this new information entered the system, it revealed a new value, which is caring. Me caring for you, the person who's watching my video. And my love for my listeners, my love for my viewers trumped all other concerns. So the new information allowed me to shift my perspective and connect the action which previously I had associated with inauthenticity to the value of love and caring and connection with my audience. And there you go. I was stuck for such a long time. The options remained the same, but what changed was new information entered the system. It gave me a fresh perspective, and I reframed my relationship with my options, and here I am. Closing thoughts. What can you learn from my experience? And do you have other ways that have worked for you in helping yourself or others you care about get unstuck? Until our next conversation, thank you.